Good morning, Yellow 4. It is December 1st, and the best time of the year is here. So let's remember today is December 1st. It's Tuesday, and it's English time. That's why Miss Culberson is wearing something blue. So in Yellow 4, we have days that we speak it in Spanish, and we use Miss Culberson wears something red, and then some other days that we speak in English, and Miss Culberson wears something blue. Usually it's a hat, but just for today, we and yesterday, I will be using just anything clothing that tells you what language you're speaking. Perfect. So with that said, why don't we just sing together the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, and then Saturday. And like I said before, today is Tuesday. And we're still in fall, although it's getting to be a little chilly. And we know that winter is coming, but winter also has so many awesome things. So let's enjoy the good weather that we have had these days, and wear a jacket or a coat if you need to. And like I said, it's December, and the letter of the week is O. O for octopus, on, off, and ornament. Awesome. So also remember that if you don't know really how to do a routine at home, we have one right here at Yellow 4. If you want to start your day like we do at Yellow 4, you should start just finding paper and crayon and doing some journal time. Tracing, coloring, anything. And once you're done, you can say, check. Then you should have breakfast. Always have breakfast. Even if it's before journal time or after journal time, make sure you have your breakfast. We usually have some sort of circle time, and that's the time when you can watch this video, Circle Time with Miss Culberson. Then you can do the activity of the week of the day, or you can have some free play time, whatever works in your schedule. I would love for you to go outside, but if it is not possible, maybe you can watch some videos and exercise. Remember like we used to do when it rained? Awesome. And if you find a time with your parents or whoever takes care of you to sit down and read a book, only 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be a super long story, but just so you can enjoy a good reading and just have a moment to enjoy with your family. Then, after all that hard work, we need to eat. We need to eat lunch. Lunchtime, and once you've done that, then we say check. We also need to rest a little bit, right? That's what we do at Yellow 4 because we play so much and we do so much good work that we get really tired. So we need to rest a little. So if you need to have a nap, take a nap. If you need to have some quiet time with your body's calm and you replenish all that good energy, then have that time for yourselves. And finally, the day is over. We can have dinner or whatever we need to do with our families. Check, check, check. And that's our day. Okay, friends, I also think it's a good time to remember our songs in English. We sang those in Spanish yesterday, but today we're going to remember. There is this song called Hello by Super Simple Songs. You can Google it in YouTube. I love Super Simple Songs because they have the version in English and they have the version in Spanish. So we can transfer all our knowledge from one language to the other. That's what makes our brains bilingual. So Super Simple Songs, and our song is Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm great! I'm awesome! I'm all so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? How are you doing this morning? I hope you're doing super duper great. And I'll send you a big, 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 big hug from here. Also, remember that the letter of the week is the letter O. And every letter makes a sound. And letter O make the sound up, on, off, octopus, ornament. Wonderful words with the letter O. Also, last thing is remember our song about the weather. So this song is also super simple song. It's called How is the Weather Today? So how is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How is the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How is the weather today? How is the weather today? Is it super cold? Is it snowy? Maybe today's a little warmer than yesterday. You tell me. Check it outside. Awesome, friends. So remember to stay tuned. So for the next video, which is going to have the activity of the day. And I'll explain what the activity of the day is. It's all about the holidays, and I hope that in this season you get to enjoy with your family and build those good connections and know that you're loved and you're cared from Valeska Hinton to your house. A big hug. I'll see you later.